like it. It's cute, it's funky.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't.
Hey hoes, just in case if you're not familiar with who your girl is, my name is Rhonda B, and I am known for being the lock inspiration to a few of y'all girlies. So if you're new here, again, I do a lot of lock inspo hairstyle. That's where a lot of my subscribers came from my earlier videos that I used to post when I had my other set of locks. But your girl is back, and in this video, y'all, we are recreating a TikTok inspired style. And I was like, yeah, it's time for your girl to get out her rut and to get back on her. I hope you all enjoy my video, and don't forget, as always, leave a comment or two and let me know how your girl did, whether this was a hit or miss. And if you plan on recreating, please make sure you tag your girl. But yeah, let's get back into the video.
Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb.
I guess you wonder where I've been. Search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you when I'm good now. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day when your love see. Now I came back to let you know.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I like it. It's cute, it's funky. Y'all saw how hard it was for me to wrap the hair around my bun. Hopefully y'all got the gist of what I was doing. You literally cutting it off the track and just wrapping it around, fitting your bun. Whether you added hair like me or if you actually got like a lock bun, you just wrap the curly hair around it to make the curly mohawk look. I like it, y'all. Zai Boogie says she likes it. She says she rates it a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I'm about to do my cute transition video. But right now, I just wanted to get myself back in the game of styling my locks. And my locks is actually going on 2 years in October. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all another cute protective style that you can do with your medium length locks. So if you do decide to do it, make sure y'all comment and let me know. Yeah, let me know how y'all like it. I'll see y'all hoes in the next video. I did not start this video off the right way. anyway, so this is going to be an outro to the intro. But hey hoes, the new subscribers to my channel, it's your girl Rhonda B, and I am just an all-around no niche content creator on TikTok and on YouTube. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and like I said, I'll see y'all hoes in the next video.